We want to make a quick sketch of the function f of x equals negative x to the fourth plus 3x cubed. And we want to do this without the aid of a calculator. So let's first of all find the zeros. We find zeros by taking our function and setting it equal to 0. Always try to factor out common factors, so both terms have an x cubed. If we factor that out, then we'll be left with negative x plus 3. Set each factor equal to 0. And we'll get x equals 3 or x is equal to 0. Alright, so if we go over here to our graph, we know we're going to have a 0 at 0, and we're going to have a 0 at 3. And note this 0 at 0 comes from x cubed. So this is a triple root. We have a multiplicity of 3. So when we have a multiplicity of 3, that means that we're going to have a point of inflection at 0. This is a place where the concavity of the graph changes. Since x equals 3 is a single root, it has a multiplicity of 1, the graph is going to go straight through that 0. But on the x equals 0, it's going to go through, but it's going to kind of flatten out as it goes through that 0. Also notice that the degree of our polynomial is 4. And so since the degree is 4 and our leading coefficient is negative, our end behavior is going to be down, down. So if we go sketch this graph, we're going to start at negative infinity. We're going to go to 0, flatten out, and then we're going to go down through 3. So we get a graph that looks something like this graph for this polynomial.